So I want to start here today with the Coreopsis patch, and you can see it's almost covering the whole base of all of these agaves, blue agaves. But this is my field of Coreopsis and drift roses and more Coreopsis and more roses, more crepe myrtles. They come into bloom in around July, and it is the end of April right now. This patch right here is blackberry lily, and I just planted some verbena. This is my black diamond crepe myrtle, and I have 4. That bush looks bad, but it's because I didn't take the pieces I cut off. I have to take those off. I have 4 Taylor junipers down the line here, and then I have that palm tree there is a Chinese fan palm, and then I have 3 Washingtonias. So beyond where I cut the branches over there, that little one, and then 2 other ones. So those will give some verticality here. Here's my daylily from Ladybug Daylily Farms that has been bulbing out for probably 2 weeks now, and I'm sitting here in anticipation of them blooming. See, I cut this back and I didn't take those branches out, but I did a really heavy prune, so you can see how the garden looks today. It's full of yellow. And once these Coreopsis stop blooming, I'm gonna mow the grass and edge these off to create crisp edges. I am thinking about putting Belgian blocks here so it looks a lot neater. Anyway, that's the garden, the end of April in Tampa, Florida.